Hello everyone, I'm Akshay. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about the host file. So the host file normally is located under your local DC, right? So this PC, local DC, Windows, you look for system32. So what the host file does normally, the host file can be used, well, I can tell you in an easy way, to block sites, for example. So at times when you install a software, your antivirus automatically put the sites of the software into that host file, or some other software can put the sites over there. So at times when you try to register your software online, you get an error, your application is blocked, etc. You don't have an internet connection to register, stuff like that. So now I'm going to show you how to deal with the host file. Okay, so etc. Here's a path to the host file, as you can see. So you go normal. Right now you will not be able to edit the host file, so I will just show you how it looks inside. So you open Notepad and here is your host file, right? So this, I put this here temporarily. So let's now this is how it looks. Now how to edit a host file. You see the host file I open it with a Notepad, right? Open with Notepad. So I want to edit this. So there's two ways to edit a host file. Now I will just open Notepad, right? I will right click on this, open as administrator. Right now when I open administrator, I will be able to save it, right? Now I can edit and save. Otherwise you will not be able to save it. This is the easiest way to edit a host file. There is another way. You need to edit the permission of the host file, but I will not show it to you because you need an easiest way to do it. So now this is the way for the host file. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a test, for example, right? So normally on the host file, many times, for example, when you try to register your application, for example, now when you try to register application, it will give you an error. Just give me 1 second. Internet. So yeah, as I was saying, at times when you try to open your CorelDRAW app, for example, right, you get this error. Sorry. Please connect to the internet to sign in. So what you need to do, you need to go and check your host file, right? If you see those apps over there, right, you just need to delete them. See, for example, right now, as I save this, let's try to go on appscorel.com. So my browser is here. I'll just paste this here. As you can see, I will not be able to access it. Nor if I try to register, it will register. So what you need to do, you just need to go onto your host file. You open your Notepad as administrator. You go to the location I showed you, and then you just need to delete those, and you click on save. Now let's try to reload the page. As you can see, now it's working. And also when you try to go to look for your host file into your Notepad, you need to make sure, sorry, let me just close it again. Notepad, right? So right click on it, open run as administrator. Make sure when you click on file, open, make sure here, right? What is that? Sorry. Yeah. File open. Make sure this here it's on all files. Otherwise, your host will not appear, right? then you select your host, open, and then you delete the Corel details that was in there. For example, this will be here, so you just delete them and you click on save. That's it, and we are safe to go. Your Corel will be working fine. This is just an example. There are lots of sites that can be blocked over there, like for example adobe.com, youtube.com, and this can be used also to block porn sites for your kids if you want. And yes, so thank you everyone for watching, and enjoy your day ahead. Bye bye.